Oh, we finally got our big storm. It's about, I guess, about a foot right now. It might get, it's like icing out a little bit and snow. We didn't have snow like this since 2016 that I remember. So, we got our big snowstorm. It's about, if you can see, it ain't too bad. It's a powdery snow now, but with this ice coming down, who knows, it might freeze on top. But the big storm finally hit us from out west. It came southwest towards us, or southeast I mean. And I think some came from up Canada, northeastern, not sure. But anyway, I'm out here doing a video of the first big storm in a while. And I love snow. I was out shoveling last night, which I don't have to, but I was. I might shovel a little bit more now. Take care and have a good day.